Now I will teach you how to replace a new ECU that is Yaris 2009. So we changed a new ECU. So this is the connector here. We remove the old one here. So let's connect. So it's the connector. So it's connected. Good. Then here. Okay, guys, I'll make sure it's installed good. Okay, then after that we will go to the DLC3 to initialize. Okay, so under here the driver side, so this is the DLC3. So we need to find pin number 4 and pin number 13. So this one, 1 2 3 4. So this one 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So these two pin we need to connect, okay, to initialize our ECU to our car. Okay, so okay, like this, guys, you can see I already connected with a wire. Okay, pin number 4 and pin number 13. Then our next step, make sure to close all the doors like this, guys. So all the doors is closed, and then we will switch on now. Okay, and if you can see, all the lights are blinking: steering, EBS, check engine, airbag, seat belt. Okay, that one is normal, and we will wait around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we will switch off and remove the wire and start the engine. So let's check. So okay, guys, we finish around 30 minutes now. So our next step, so we need to off the switch. Okay, after we off the switch, before we start, we need to remove the wire that we connect from pin number 4 and number 13. Remove it. Then we will start now. Let's check if the engine will start. Start, guys. Okay, so it's running now. You can see the engine is running, so meaning our initialization is successful. So make sure to do that procedure, guys, because if you will not do it, engine won't start even you installed a new ECU. So if you put a new ECU to your car, so you should do all those steps. Okay, guys, so it's running now. Engine is running. Now let's try. There's power now. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.